Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, we'll look at how to add fire effect to an image in Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, I'm going to click on the quick selection tool in the left menu and then hit select subject. I'm going to use the plus brush to add the umbrella to the selection as well. Now click on the add layer mask button. I'm also going to change the blend mode to color dodge. Color dodge will ignore black but brighten the base colors. Let's duplicate the background layer one more time. This time I'm going to use the quick selection tool to just select the umbrella. Next, click on the add layer mask button and just like before, change the blending mode to color dodge. We want the top of the umbrella to be really bright, since there will be fire on top of it. Now it's time to bring in our fire image. I downloaded it from pexels.com. Let's start by right-clicking and converting this fire image to a smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. Use the move tool to select, transform, and adjust the fire image to your liking. Now change the blend mode to lighten so all the dark colors get ignored. I'm going to use the move tool again to adjust and transform the fire so it looks just right. Since the fire is bright and in focus, we want the whole image to look a little bit orangey. To add that effect, click on the Add New Adjustment Layer button and choose Color Lookup. From the Lookup table dropdown, select Fall Colors Look. Finally, let's take a look at the before and after. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.